Get on the opposite side of the lane, please. Clear the way.
Just create space for the country.
Please create.
Mama Babas, with your entourage, you're welcome. This nomination center. And as from 2/3 of the districts of Uganda, 75 districts, so support the nominated candidate. Otherwise, we thank you, the observers.
Badru M. Chigundu, being the returning officer for nomination of presidential candidates, declare Amama Mbabazi a duly nominated candidate for presidential elections 2016, having fulfilled the nomination requirements under the Presidential Elections Act 2005 as amended.
It's a great idea. The idea of uniting our people, being together in this great effort to transform Uganda is a noble idea. It is an idea that we will continue and we will always aspire to achieve. Obviously, we had a setback. We have not achieved it in the time when we set out to achieve it. But as I have said many times before, our doors remain open to all the forces that believe in this transformative change.